I do not leave anyone hand until they become profitable. Doesn't matter
Okay.
what it looks. So you will understand every single bit of it, every single bit of
Okay.
it. Okay, like how and why, and how it's gonna work, and every single thing. Okay. So
Okay.
it's still as I said, I'm gonna start with
You,
I'm gonna
you
start with
said one more question. You said you are from Bangladesh, right?
right. I am.
Okay.
So basically, what we are going to learn is remember everything. Like whatever we see in the chart, whatever you're seeing in my chart, this is nothing but price and timing. Just remember this part. This is just only price and the timing.
Okay.
Right
Okay.
now, what time it is for you? It's like 10:23, right? It's
10. Yes,
10:23.
yes. It's
So right
10.
now it is a 10:23, and this time market, I'm seeing the gold chart, and the gold chart is 2639, right? So
Yes.
if you think about like this way, current now where the price is, this is something we called uh, just give me 1 minute, okay? Just
Okay.
so right now market is 2639 area, and the current price so that means that exactly right now market is YR. This is what representing us as a time and chart. Okay.
Okay.
Now, as market is moving to the upward since the last hour, so this upwarding movement showing by a green candle is my as the settings of my chart. You get it, brother? So I
I see that it's ranging sideways actually.
no, forget about the side or everything, whatever. We are just focusing on me what I am saying. Okay,
Okay.
forget about the trending or not, because we are learning the very
Basic.
first step of the market. Okay, you focus on my screen and everything, then remaining will be okay. So
Okay.
there are, as I said, market is moving to the upper area, so it is representing me the green candle, as I use green candle as a buy market, and I use red candle as a sell market. Okay, these are
Okay.
the two candle I use. You may use different color, but most of the people like me, they use two color in the chart. One is green, one is red. Okay, these are the two
Yes,
color. So
even I'm using those colors. Yeah.
okay, so these are the two color that we use for ours. So whatever you see in the chart doesn't matter what time frame you follow. You may follow monthly time frame, you may follow weekly time frame, daily, whatever time frame. Even though if you want to follow 1 minute or nanosecond time frame,
Okay.
every time frame is built with these two color. Either it will be a green color, or it will be a red color. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the two color we give the priority to the chart. Secondly,
Okay.
secondly, as I said, there is only two color as we use as a buy and sell. So everything we are going to talk about is heavily related to a combination of a color. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
combination of a color. So when I says it's a combination of a color, means
Okay.
when there is a combination means a green candle and red candle create a combination, right?
Okay.
Or a red candle and a green candle create a combination. So the green candle and green candle do not create a combination, or a red
Yeah.
candle and red candle do not create a combination. The combination always comes from two different color. Okay.
Okay.
So this thing, just remember it. We are going to apply this thing a little bit later, and we are going to another part now. So what I just said, everything we see in the chart is a combination. Okay, combination.
Yep.
So why the combination is important for us? Let me check. Now, if you look at here, we have a candle, right? We have a candle. So far we do not know what candle it is. It could be a buy candle, it could be a sell candle, right? So now
Okay.
let's say we put a color on it as we use two color. So what color I put on here? Red
Hmm.
color.
I cannot see your screen actually.
You do not see. Aha, that's why I says why we are looking for here and there.
See, I am seeing in the phone actually.
Okay,
So
no problem. So you see my chart. I'm so sorry, brother. I'm so sorry.
that's okay. That's okay.
Okay.
I thought you're looking at the your laptop and I'm
No,
looking
no,
at my
no, no,
phone.
no,
So
no, no. So fine, fine. So you see my screen.
mhm. Yes.
So, Hoyen, you have, like as I said a little bit earlier, let's say we have
Mm.
drawn a candle. So we do not know what candle it is. It is a buy or sell candle. So far we do not know. Okay.
Mhm.
So when we put a color on it, we put a color on it, then we can identify it's a sell candle. Why we call it a sell candle? Because we already said previously that our sell candle represent by a red candle.
Yes.
And also one more thing to remember, that every candle has a wick. Every candle has a wick. So what we are going to do, if you want to know the candle anatomy on here, or the what is the candle skeleton of this particular candle, we says this is the starting of that particular candle. It goes high, it comes down, it goes up, and it goes there, then it becomes closing of this candle. Is this part clear to you? So
Yes.
if we says like how this candle has done, we says this is the opening of the candle and this is the closing of the candle, right, brother? And we all,
Okay.
as always, we have this as a high, we have this as a low. Is this part clear?
Mm. Yes.
Now, at the same time, if we see something like this here, so what it will be? What is this candle? It's a what color?
But by
Oh, yes, but my question is why we are calling it a buy candle? Because we already
green.
said before we are using green color as our buy color, isn't it?
Mm.
So what I'm going to do, we are going to mark this, and the same now the opening was started on the red candle on the upper area, but the buy candle opening started from the bottom area, and then market started the, if the skeleton you do it like this is the opening and then it goes back down all the way to up, come down, and the closing of here, which is the same,
Mm.
isn't it?
Yes.
One
Yes.
started from here, the one is the totally opposite of another. Now two things we have so far understand. One is everything is combination, and we says our combination is green and red. And once we said everything is combination, then we started to learning to understand the combination. We need to see how candle formation happen. So once you
Okay.
see this is the candle formation, like more red candle formation or the green candle formation. One we call HLC, another we call OLLC, right? Two different things.
Mm.
Now when again we are moving back to the part 1 where we says everything is combination. Now I'm going to tell you why everything is combination. People call candlestick in very different name, like doji candle,
Mm.
like uh, hammer candle, like shooting star, blah 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 blah, all of them. Okay.
Okay.
For us, we are only using the combination to identify two things. One, engulfing, which will be only two candle engulfing, which you will learn from our traditional learning, what you have known
Okay.
so far. Another is also engulfing, which is not two candle engulfing, but a little bit more candle it will take to create. Okay, brother?
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so far, whatever I have said, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, then move us to the second part. The second part will
No.
be this, what it is,
Green candle.
and when you say
No,
this is green
but
candle, what you are going to say? It is buy or
but
sell? Buy. Why it is buy? Because we already decided that our buy will represent by green color. Okay?
yes.
Now, what we do, we mark the, we just a little bit earlier, we understand what is open and close. Also, we understand what is high and low. So, what we are going to do, if I ask you, is this the high or is this the low? What is your answer?
The
No, right?
thing which
Because
yes, the thing
because
which you
this is
draw
the
on the
right, this is the
line, yes,
body only, this is the body only.
body,
So
yes,
body is representing the open and close, but the high and low represent by weak high and weak
right,
low.
yes,
So what we are going to do, every time we are going to see any candle, doesn't matter it is a green candle or a red candle, we are not going to mark the body, we are not going to mark what, the body, we are going to
body,
mark the body weak or the shadows high and the shadows low. Means we are going to high and low of any particular candle, whatever we see the first time. Okay.
okay,
Now we are shifting to the very first thing I said, as everything in the chart is a combination. So, and I also said the combination always need to create by two color, isn't it?
two,
So
yes,
if everything is a combination in the market, and the combination is
hmm.
created by two color, whenever you see a green candle, what is the candle you will think of to create to create a combination?
Red,
Red color. Okay, red color. So I am going to draw a red color here. Now the
okay,
question is, now the question is, okay, we have identified our combination. So if it is not a red but become a green, that means we can easily say this is not our combination that we are looking for. At the same time, as every candle has a high and low, so we are going to shift the high and low from this candle to this candle. You understand it?
yes,
At the same time, now as this is a red candle appeared, so we are not gonna shift it because our combination is started. Clear, brother?
yes, yes,
Now,
clear,
thing is, as I said, after finding the combination, we are going to wait for two things. One, is it created engulfing or not? So when we are going to call it an engulfing? Whenever you have
oh,
a single color candle, which is a green candle, and after the combination created, which is totally opposite color candle, okay? And
oh,
as it is a green candle, so in a sense, very regular common sense. So what will be the engulfing in here? It should be the engulfing cell, right? Isn't it? Engulfing
yes,
cell. So this the combination candle has to break out the low which we have marked with a body.
hmm.
Okay,
With the body
with the body,
and with the, okay,
with the body, not with the weak. If the weak
oh,
breakout happen, then we are not going to call it an engulfing. You always need a body breakout.
okay, okay,
Okay, so when you have a body breakout, when you have a body breakout, means you have to. Then after that we have another part. But whenever you have a body breakout, and this is a two candle combination which is created in engulfing also. So this
okay,
two candle created engulfing, which you already know from your previous learning, right? The mentor or
yes,
YouTube, like what is engulfing candle? This is look like the same engulfing candle. So,
yes,
but in a sense, what we added here, we just added one extra information, which is the previous candle low has to be break out with by the next candle body. If
body,
no body break, then we are not going to call it an engulfing. Understood? Now,
okay,
as this engulfing is a two candle engulfing, in that particular scenario, we are going to call it a regular engulfing. Okay.
okay,
Now, the second part is coming. The second part is, if the body of this low is not break out by body of this particular candle, my question is, can I call it a regular, can I call it engulfing?
no,
Why? Because the body breakout is not happened, isn't it?
not happen, yes, it has just
Right,
reached,
right. Now the thing is, we can see if the color continues, means the combination remains same. Only two color we are seeing in the chart, isn't it?
mm,
If the color
yes,
continues, if the color continues, whenever the red color, I mean two color, like one is green, one is red. No changes of the color
yes,
yet, right?
yes,
Whenever the breakout happened by a red candle, now this breakout could be like take 10 candle, 5 candle, doesn't matter. But the color need to be
mm,
remain same. If this thing happened, we are going to call it a irregular engulfing. Okay?
Okay.
So this
Okay.
particular first candle combination has to be breakout by the second color combination. Now the breakout happen could be like one candle, it could take 10 candle, no matter. But the breakout, if the breakout happen, we call it either regular. If not, we call it irregular. So when we call it irregular, we call it irregular as one or two candle breakout, the second candle breakout. If the candle take a lot of time, then we call it irregular breakout. Now, as I said, the color combination remains same. The color combination remains same means it could break out, right? What if
Yes.
now the color changes here? My question is the combination remains same?
Yes.
No. This is the two colors, so the combination's dead, right? Two color. And when the green is started, means there is a new started opening, right?
Okay. Okay.
You got it?
I thought these two. I compared these two things.
No,
So
as this, like now, everything is combination. Now you can say, okay, brother, so it is also a combination. The green and red also a combination, isn't it?
okay. Okay.
So the green
Hmm.
high, if the green high broke, if the green high broke, sorry, the red high is broken with the green candle, means we are going to have a regular engulfing buy. Right.
Okay.
Sorry, irregular engulfing by. If not breaking and it just break out like this, but it should be a red candle, then we are going to see a engulfing sell. So every candle by
Hmm.
candle, every candle by candle is a combination for
Yes.
us. Understood? Now,
Yes.
whatever we have said so far from the beginning to till now, do you have any question?
No.
So if there is no question, as I said, you have also watched the video I've sent you. So
Yes.
let us move to the chart actually. Okay, let us move to the chart.
Oh.
Now I'm going to ask you few questions. Whatever you have seen in my screen, I'm going to step by step ask you everything. Now.
Okay.
Look, we are going to starting from the very first candle. This is the candle what I am marking, and this is the very last candle what we are seeing, right? So we are going to start
Yes.
from here to here. And remember, this is the very first session you are doing it. Me, we did not even pass 30 minutes. So I believe
Yes.
you can read the chart now from as it is a very basic, but we do a very deep learning, candle breaking and everything. Still you will understand like how we read the candle. So my very
Yes.
first thing I'm gonna ask you, if you look at here, what we can call it?
It did not break the
No,
engulfing.
this is the break actually. I'm just to show you. I need to
Hmm.
zoom it. Like this is the close. So if you look at the body, look at this.
Hmm.
The body breakout happens. So what if the body breakout happen? What we call it?
Irregular engulfing.
Regular engulfing cell, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now next candle. If you look at here, what we have here, the body breakout happened with the two candle, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Now what we call it?
Irregular.
Irregular engulfing what? Buy or sell?
Yes.
Buy or sell one?
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Buy. Now,
Yes.
if you look at here, this is not a body break, okay? So do we call it anything?
Hmm.
It is not a break.
Yes. It's a regular engulfing.
No, it is not a break actually. So if it is not a
Yes.
break, so we do not call it anything, okay? But
Okay. Okay.
but if you look
Hmm.
at this one, so what we call it?
It's a regular
Regular
engulfing.
engulfing buy. Clear?
Yes. Bye.
What we
Yes.
call it?
Irregular engulfing.
Great. So in from here to here, we do not have anything to call, right? We do not
Yes.
have because all are the same color. There is no combination. Okay.
Combination.
Okay. Now, if you look at here, we do have nothing because the high is not broken. But what we have here, these two candle,
Hmm. It's irregular.
and
Irre-
what we have here.
Regular pipe.
Okay, from here to
Engulfing.
here, we do have
Nothing is
nothing.
there.
Now, we do not. Do we have anything here? The answer is no
Hmm.
because no
No.
breakout, right?
No. No.
But
No. No break.
what we have here?
Hmm. Regular engulfing pipe.
Right. So we have nothing on here as there is no
Yes.
combination.
Yes. Yes.
But what we have here?
Irregular
Buy.
engulfing.
Buy. Right. So, and what we have here?
Irregular
Uh,
shelf.
no, it's a
Engulfing.
regular as two candle only. Okay, two candle. So
Okay, okay.
what we have here also.
It's regular.
Okay. And from here to here, if you look at here, no high breakout, no low breakout. Okay. So we have
Yes, yes.
nothing on here. Now the fun part. The fun part is if you look at this part, if you look
Okay.
at this part, if you look at this part, all of them,
Okay.
I said everything you see in the chart is a combination, but these are the few area where is no combination, or this is the area where is no combination. There are, we see the combination, but we did not make any engulfing yet, right? But if you look at
Yes.
here, 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 we have those combination, no combination. So now, if you mark, my friend, any area, like as I said, there is no combination on here, right? All are the same, 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 no combination,
Yes.
right? No
Yes.
combination. So what you can see, if you draw a combination area like this, is it a combination? The answer is no. But the fun part is,
Mm.
if you need to know, if you break this particular area like to the lower time frame, what you see here, you tell me now, you have a combination which is your engulfing buy.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes. Yes. Please.
So, and again, if you look at here, you see there is no combination. Is there any combination? No, because these are the
No.
two same color candle. So why we need the combination? We need the combination to understand the second, and this will be the next part. So as there is no combination, but as I said, everything is combination. You need to know how to break it, which point of area is our interesting area, and which area is we are going to play with. So if you look at here, there is no combination, but if you break it to lower time frame, still no combination. Break more, you have your combination area, which is here.
No.
See, now this particular area also becoming is you have very point, a very interested area to trade. Now you need to know which when you are going to play with it or not. Okay.
Mm.
So and then what you see, market may come back over here, and then we see the reaction. Now my question is, you understand so far whatever we talked about?
Yes. Yes.
If you understand it, then we are moving to our second part. The part is why I says everything is engulfing, sorry, combination. And then when I says everything is a combination, then we understand when you know a combination, that means this combination will create a engulfing. And now we know how the engulfing created. Also, how we know that everything is a combination of the engulfing. Either if it is not a combination is the H1, maybe in the 5 minutes this is the combination. You got it? Now the
Yes.
part is why we need the combination. Okay? Or why we
Mm.
need the engulfing. We believe market move from engulfing to engulfing. Like if you look at here, this is an engulfing buy, isn't it?
Mm.
Isn't
Yes.
it? Market come back to that engulfing buy and move up. Again, this is an engulfing buy. Market come back to
Okay.
the engulfing buy to move up. So this is another engulfing buy. Did not come back. We expect it is come back. We may move up. If you look at here, did not come back. But if it was in coming back, it may move up. But if you look at here, not coming back. Like if
Not
you
come back.
right continuously, if you look all of the engulfing it created. Now look at this. This is the engulfing. What I said when you draw it. If it coming back
Mm.
here, we may see a movement, and this is what happened, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
So you need to
It
understand.
has to break the previous
No,
resistance in
sometimes,
order to.
sometimes it do something like that. If not, then there is extra formula also. Like, so what we say is we expect as it's an engulfing buy. You got it, my friend.
Mm.
As it's an engulfing buy. Also, if you look at here, we can say like if you go to the H1 also. If you look at here, we says it is an engulfing buy. So market came back to the buy area, and we see market moved up, isn't it? Market moved up, right?
Mm. Yes.
So now we have this particular engulfing buy on here, like this particular engulfing buy on here. We says market will come back here, and then it may move up, right? The first thing
Yes.
was here actually. The first thing is here. It should come back here and move up. Okay.
Yes.
So what we see actually, this thing happened. If you look at here, this did not respect it. It just did not respect it. Our expectation was it will come back here and it should go to the up, isn't it?
Go to that. Yes.
So instead of going up, it just fall down. So this is the engulfing, which was we are seeing that as a buy possible area. Instead of buying, market heavily fall from here, and when this buy is not respected, we call that particular engulfing buy as a engulfing fail.
Engulfing phase. Okay.
Okay. Now again, if you look at here, we have another engulfing buy here. Again, our expectation is if market come back from here, we may see market will all the way go back to this area, and then maybe again if it created any engulfing, then we will play with it. And what we see, market come back on here and move up, basically from here move up, and then it is now struggling into playing that particular area. As of now, my friend, we have this particular engulfing area, and we are expecting market should come back here and then move up. Understood?
Yes.
So also there are few other possibilities. We have a buy position on here like 32 to 31 area. We are going to buy, but sorry, my question is, whatever we have, I have said, you have understand it or not?
I understood, but it's moving the sideways, so we don't know whether it
No, 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 no,
breaks
no, no, no,
down
no,
or.
no. Forget about the side view and everything. As I said, brother, you do not
Okay.
need to headache of it. Your headache is not
Okay.
like now, like forget. I do not know who you learn from, who guided you and everything. I do not also care for it. I want you to
Okay.
focus only one thing. Whatever I am saying, memorize it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And I have something to show you. Like I will meet you tonight again. I will meet you tonight
Okay.
again because
Okay.
I want you to understand. Once you finish with me now, I'm not going to move further because
Okay.
the next step we are going to do as a little bit advanced level. So I want you
Okay.
to understand everything I said to you so far. So how you will
No.
understand it? I want you to do uh, 20 engulfing buy, doesn't matter it is regular or irregular. 20 engulfing
Okay.
fail, doesn't matter regular or irregular, and 20 engulfing fail. So 20 engulfing buy, 20 engulfing sell, and 20 engulfing fail. Identify those and send me a screenshot. Okay, everything,
Okay.
so that I
Okay.
can understand it. And once I understand it, like okay, you are good to go, then we will proceed to the next part, and the fun will be happen in the next part. You will telling me I never used to see the chart like this. I'm going to give you the guarantee you will see me that. Okay, so
Okay.
before moving to
See,
that
what
part,
I'll do is I'll watch this video until I understand continuously, so I
yes,
can
I'm going to
identify
okay,
those
just a
things.
minute. I'm going to stop the recording and I'm going